Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and let me change the position of the screen, let me turn it around, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, and as you can see right here we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 3 more different options from which we can choose. So we can set 3, 7 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, for example. As you can see, all you have to do is to simply tap on it and the icon will slightly change. Right now it is highlighted in this bluish color, and all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course right now from 10, depending on which option you will pick, so it can count down from 3 or from 7. Of course you can turn off the timer whenever you want to, just by tapping on this kind of clock icon or timer icon, and from now on your device will simply take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Lenovo TAB M11 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.